Okay, welcome to the CDL school bus practice test. This is going to be number 5, driving safety. And you're going to see some dark blue blotches. Just ignore those. Pay attention to the letter over here on the left. That's the correct answer. Question number 1. When parked at the side of the road at night for only a minute or two, you should turn on the four-way emergency flashers. That's the correct answer. Turn on the four-way emergency flashers. Number 2. Outside mirrors include both A and B, and those would be convex mirrors and plane mirrors. So outside mirrors include convex mirrors and plane mirrors. Oh, also, and yeah, that's it. I don't believe C is included magnifying mirrors. I guess that would be objects that appear larger than they actually are. So the correct answer is convex mirrors and plane mirrors. So the correct answer is both A and B. Question number 3. Rough acceleration can cause mechanical damage. So rough acceleration can cause mechanical damage. Question number 4. If possible, when braking, you should back to the driver's side. Okay, if possible, when backing, so when you're backing, and you should. What are they asking that you should do? You should back to the driver's side. Probably because you have better visibility. Okay. Number 5. I'm sure somebody would say not probably, definitely, but anyhow, number 5. While driving the outside mirrors, while driving, the outside mirrors can be used to both A and B, which is look for other vehicles and check your tires. Okay. Alright, number 6. When parked at the side of the road at night for 10 minutes or longer, you should put out your 3 triangular warning signs. And that is important to do. And what makes this why you should select 3 triangular warning signs is because you're there for 10 minutes or longer. Okay. Number 7. The 3 good rules for using turn signals are, and of course there's only 3 rules here, so by logic would have to be either all of the above, or if one of these was wrong, I suppose it would be none of the above, but you're looking for 3 good rules. So signal early, that's one rule. Signal continuously, and cancel your signal. So it's all the above. Now, I guess the answer could be none of the above if all 3 of these were incorrect. And of course, well, just remember the rules are signal early, continuously, and then when you're done, cancel your signal. Number 8. When entering a curve, you should A. Downshift. You should downshift before entering the curve. So when entering a curve, you should downshift before entering the curve. Number 9. Special situations that require more than regular mirror checks include, correct answer is all the above. So that would be lane changes, turns, and mergers are all special situations that require more than regular mirror checks. Okay? So just remember, lane changes, turns, and merges, all of the above. Question number 10. In some states, speed limits for trucks are higher than speed limits for cars, and that is false. Number 11. At speeds above 40 miles per hour, the minimum safe distance you should allow is 1 second for every 10 feet of vehicle length plus 1 second. Okay? Question number 12. The best rule of thumb let me just say this again. The best rule of thumb is to reduce speed by about 1/3. No, 1/3. Correct answer is 1/3 on a wet road. So let me repeat that question again. The best rule of thumb is to reduce the speed by about 1/3. That's number C. 1/3 on a wet road. Number 13. You should signal turns early to keep others from trying to pass you. That's true. Okay. Number 14 is what is defined. So what is defined as the distance it takes to stop once the brakes are applied, and that is braking distance. So braking distance is defined as the distance it takes to stop once the brakes are applied. So in this you can look at brakes and distance, and you know that the answer is braking distance. Question number 15. What is or are the number one cause of injury and death in roadway work zones? And that would be speeding traffic. So speeding traffic is the number one cause of injury and death in roadway work zones. Okay? Remember, speeding traffic is the number one cause of injury and death in roadway work zones. Okay. Number 16. When merging, it is not necessary to use your outside mirrors, and that is false. You definitely need to use your outside mirrors. Alright, number 17. Of all the space around your vehicle while driving, the most important is the area ahead of the vehicle. Because that's the direction you're traveling. You're traveling towards your ahead of you. And there's no blank line here or anything, so it's a little bit confusing, but we'll just say it again. Of all the space around your vehicle, the most important area is the area ahead of the vehicle. Number 18. When entering a curve, you should slow down. That's when you're entering a curve. You should slow down. Alright, so number 19. If the road is icy, you should reduce speed to a crawl. And you can see number 19 has D here, to a crawl. So if the road is icy, you should reduce speed to a crawl. Number 20. An exhaust retarder is one of 4 basic types of retarders. And the answer is true. Alright, so thank you for watching. We'll pick up the next set of questions on the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.